What's up YouTube? My name is Gen-zel and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my favorite natural way of removing cellulite. This has been tried and tested by me, and actually you can find a lot of things and a lot of natural ways in the internet on how you can remove cellulites, like using dry brush, facial massages, of course collagen, be it topical or the one that you intake, like the capsule and the collagen drink, working out, of course, eating healthy, and my favorite way is coffee scrub or body scrub, but yeah, particularly coffee scrubs. So basically the coffee granules slough off dead skin cells, and then the caffeine content is responsible for breaking down the fats, thus the tightening effect, and it also helps reduce loose skin, stretch marks. Aside from removing cellulites, coffee scrub can also whiten or brighten your skin. It also has a lot of antioxidants, so it's better as an anti-inflammatory, like when you use it on your face, it will help reduce the puffiness and red breakouts. And then whenever you scrub your skin with coffee, it helps stimulate the blood flow or the blood circulation in your body, so that is really a plus. You guys can actually do a DIY coffee scrub, but for me, since I don't have that much time, I wanted to share with you my current favorite coffee scrub. This is from Charis. You can get this from my link. It's highcharis.net. I'll be linking down below. So it's called Slimming by Killing Bean. This is 200 grams. Ayan. It can last you for about like a month, I think, and you're gonna use this about like 2 to 3 times a week. And you will find here all the instructions, the directions. The main ingredients are roast ground coffee, apricot seed oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, soybean oil, grapefruit seed extract, hyaluronic acid, licorice extract, and some root extracts that I can no longer pronounce. So how do I use this? I just wet my skin, and then I will get a generous amount on my palm, and then I will apply it and gently scrub, like on my arms, here on this part because I have loose skin over here, and on my belly, on my thighs, definitely on the areas wherein you have problems with cellulites, but you can use this all over your body. And what I really like about this as well is the packaging. It's so easy to use. You can just open this one and then just pour it out here, because some coffee scrubs are in a jar where I don't find it that much hygienic because I have to dip my hands, my fingers into the jar. So the question is where you can get this. You can get this from my link. It's at highcharis.net/genzelhbb. I'll be putting the link down in the description box. So the original price of this one is 1,357 point something, and if you're going to purchase this from my link, you will get 25% off, so it will fall roughly around 1,018, and you will also get 50% off your shipping. And I guess that's it, guys, for my secret with removing my cellulites. You can actually use whatever kind of coffee scrub that you want. This is just the one that I'm currently using and currently loving, so if you want to check this out, just go to my link down in the description box. So that's it, guys, for my video today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find this helpful. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Again, this is me, Gen-zel, signing off, wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup. Bye!